How to save all TikTok drafts at once. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now go to your feed and open your drafts. Then open the draft you want to save from here. After that, go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Now tap on the arrow on the right side of the screen. Then tap on Save. You have now successfully saved this draft to your album. You can repeat the same to save all other drafts as well. Following these steps, you can easily save all TikTok drafts at once. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.